Okay, happy Sunday. So we are going to do a cook with me video. I haven't done one in a while, and we are having dinner. And guess what we're having? Yes, we're having some good salmon. Y'all know I used to say salmon, but the L is silent. So I got it on 470, and I used some Lowry seasoning salt, okay, and of course some olive oil. Y'all know I love olive oil, and y'all know I'm eating on vegetables, so we have some good vegetables here. These are French string beans, y'all. French string beans. And I like to add a little butter in my vegetables. Now, those of you that want to eat healthy, you want to keep your weight down, cooking is the best way. And eat less fried food and more baked. And eat more vegetables than starch. Okay. Y'all see I got that on like high. I'm gonna turn that down. Okay, and those are the ingredients that I use to season. I love Lowry seasoning salt, and I love the olive oil. Okay, and also this is a blend of sunflower and pumice olive oil. Okay, that's salmon. Salmon is smelling so good. It's looking good. Now, I always use olive oil in my whatever dish I'm using. I love to use olive oil. Sometimes I use butter as well. But yes, I oil it real good with olive oil. So that way the olive oil gets right into the meat and in the vegetables. Now this salmon don't have skin. It's skinless. Okay, now I turn the oven down some on the salmon because I don't want it hard. I want to keep it soft. Okay, so this is what we will be putting our delicious meal in. Vegetables will go in this bowl. I got this from none other than Tarjay, and a serving platter as well. I love this. I have one a larger size as well. Okay, everyone, those vegetables are done. Yes, see, I love my vegetables cooked all the way. I don't like crunchy vegetables. They are nice and done. Okay, everyone, that looks so good. The salmon is cooked just right, not too hard, not too soft. And look at the vegetables. Yes, that looks so good. Bon appetit.